Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to launch a website on Bluehost. So the first thing this would like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go into this URL section and simply type bluehost.com and hit the enter button, which will actually take you into this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on the Bluehost website. Of course, if you want to log in into your account and if you already have it, simply click as login button at the top right corner. And if you don't have an account, you'll have to click at get started or simply because this choice will get you to choose a plan and it's going to be a bit expensive because you will have to commit with them for 1 year. You can simply just go and buy your own domain by clicking at this domains option right here. And of course, it will take you to the page that will give you the opportunity to buy your domain from, and from there you can start and create your account with that way also. So for me, I'm just going to click at login, which will log in into my account directly because I already logged in into my account in this PC. And this is going to be my screen once I logged in into my account. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, is we would like to launch a website on Bluehost. And simply if we want to do that, we'll like to have a domain name first. We can click as domains here and click at my domains. And if you have a domain name right here, that will be cool. You can just go and launch your website. If you don't, you'll have to go and purchase one. Of course, I have a video to how to purchase a domain on Bluehost, so go and check it out. For you, if you already have your domain, you can simply click on my site and simply here click on add the sites option. As you can see, you can create your new site right now or migrate your existing sites. Maybe if you have a site on WordPress, GoDaddy or something, you can actually transfer it into your Bluehost right now and for free. And as you can see, as simple as that, click at create a new site or immigrate it. And of course, you will have to take these easy steps by yourself of launching whatever website you would like to launch. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.